360 from Target. Okay, you've owned it for multiple weeks.
Today I purchased at Target on sale for $343 this Axle folding electric bike.
How do you even ride that thing?
It's electric. It goes 15.5 miles an hour on a single charge. Top speed, 15 miles, top range. It's pretty far. It's minimalistic, as you can see.
I've seen those before.
They're very popular, 12 and up if you have a child that's 12 and older.
What about weight?
200 pound max, 250 watt motor. I wish I could give this to my son or daughter. LED headlights, 12-inch air tires, twist throttle, pedal assist, 15.5 miles.
360 from Target.